Today in the Keith Bryant murder trial.
He's accused of shooting and killing William & Mary football player Nate Evans outside of a house party in Norfolk in 2019. Sarah Hammond was in court for the lead detective's testimony in the case.
Much of this morning was spent with the lead detective on the stand. She testified 2 key interviews in the case were not recorded. Keith Bryant and Kershawn Beeman. Both men are charged in the death of Nate Evans. The Commonwealth argues Bryant pulled the trigger while watching over a drug deal involving his friend Kershawn Beeman. Bryant's attorneys argue Beeman killed Evans and implicated Bryant 3 years later. Today, the lead detective on the case for the Norfolk Police Department testified the interview from 2022 where Beeman pointed the finger at Bryant was not recorded. She said neither she nor the Commonwealth's attorney's office took steps to reschedule that interview. She also testified Bryant's initial interview was not recorded. She claims the Norfolk Police Department has had problems with audio and video recordings in their interview rooms in the past. Bryant and Beeman's interviews were the only 2 that did not record, and they are the only 2 men charged in Evans' murder. According to detectives, the gun used in the shooting was recovered a short time later in Suffolk during a shootout between 2 cars. Police say more than half a dozen people were in those cars, and the lead detective said none of those people were ever interviewed to determine how they got that murder weapon. We learned Wednesday cell phone records placed Bryant near the scene that night in 2019. Beeman, who's also charged in the case, claimed on the stand Bryant confessed to him in a private conversation. Multiple people at the party that night say they heard 3 to 4 gunshots, but no one has testified to seeing Bryant or Beeman pull the trigger. Throughout the rest of the day, we expect the defense to call the rest of their witnesses, with jury deliberation likely happening tomorrow. In Norfolk, Sarah Hammond, 13 News Now.
And Keith Bryant is charged with first-degree murder. Kershawn Beeman's trial is set to begin in June. He's charged with second-degree murder and robbery.